सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू वीडियो टॉकीज एंड मेरे साथ आज है आवर वेरी ओन आवर वेरी स्माइलिंग श्रुति उल्फत।
Yeah.
तो श्रुति जी, वी वेलकम यू। आज आप शो पे हैं एंड विल बी हैविंग अ टॉक, विल बी हैविंग अ ब्लास्ट आपके साथ। तो थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, Arlene, for doing this. And I'm sure people will love watching us at these times because ये बहुत ही अजीब से माहौल में अजीब से समय से हम लोग सब गुजर रहे हैं. So I'm sure everybody will enjoy, our chat, our talks, our views, what we are doing, and all the blah blah blahs in our lives right
So
now.
I'll give a short introduction about you. आपके बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन देने की जरूरत नहीं है,
Yes.
बट ये वीडियो बहुत मतलब सबके पास शेयर होगा। तो आपके बारे में जो मैं बताना चाहूंगी वो यही है कि आप एक इंडियन एंड टीवी फिल्म एक्ट्रेस हैं।
हाँ
You
जी.
appeared in many Bollywood films like Raz, Etbar, ये है
Yes.
मुंबई मेरी जान, and many many serials. We can see you.
Yes.
सो ये इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आई? बिकॉज मैंने जो आपके बारे में पढ़ा या जब मैंने जाना था, लाइक यू वर इंस्पायर्ड बाय अ टीवी शो उड़ान इन
Yes.
1989 एंड यू वांटेड टू
Yeah.
बिकम अ पुलिस ऑफिसर।
I did, yes. I mean, I'm from Dehradun, like
या
you know, and Dehradun एक छोटा सा शहर हुआ करता था उस समय. Now it's the capital of Uttarakhand.
या
तो जब when I was young and small and in school, हम सबकी अलग अलग aspirations होती हैं. आप अपने teacher को देखते हैं, so you want to become like the teacher and you want to be a teacher for all the children like he or she is. एंड देन कभी कभार हमारे घर के ऊपर से आंगन से हमें चॉपर वॉपर दिखता था. देन आई थॉट, ओह माय गॉड, आई वांट टू बी अ पायलट. So these things you would always happen. And then suddenly you wanted to become a doctor because the doctor who was always treating you or your family doctor was like amazing. So that's what you wanted to do, and save people. But then there was a time जब ये serial आता था. मैं बहुत छोटी थी उस समय, and I remember Udaan coming in, and I was so inspired and motivated and fascinated by a female cop,
या
you know. So, and which was kind of a portrayal of Kiran Bedi. So then, that's how I got inspired, and I said, I want to be a cop now. मैं तो police officer बनना चाहती हूँ. And I can be a really badass one. So,
तो
oh,
वी
sorry for
शेयर
using that
सेम
word.
स्कूल, या वी बोथ शेयर सेम स्कूल। तो स्कूल में
Yes,
भी ऐसे ड्रामेटिक्स में, एक्टिंग में, स्पोर्ट्स में
yes.
किस में एक्टिव रहते थे?
I was active in all the actions happening in school, be it all the co-curricular activities. हमारी elocutions होती थी,
Yeah.
debate contests होते थे. We used to have dance dramas. We used to have choir. We used to have a beautiful choir.
Yeah.
That, and then of course sports was very very integral part of me because मेरी family जो है has come from a very sporty background. In the sense, my sister's been a zonal district level player, and my brother was an athlete in his school time and college time. Then my father was a boxer and a very good athlete as well, and a footballer. He had a team थी Uttarakhand की team, so he was running the team and the captain of the team. So I was brought up with the sports thing. Sports Star magazine हमारे घर में आया करती थी. जब cricket चलता था तो हम
Yeah.
लोग सब पूरी family बैठ कर cricket देखती थी, ardently and very dedicatedly. And I remember my sister used to make a chart, किसका ओवर चल रहा है, कितने बैट्समैन
Okay.
ने बनाए, and all that. So I am with that whole zone, living with that
Yeah.
whole zone, and still I am living like that in Mumbai. So brought up in a sports background. Sports has always been an integral part, like I said. But जब मैं कॉलेज में आई, स्कूल के टाइम में ही 12th में मैंने नेशनल लेवल, स्टेट लेवल बास्केटबॉल खेला.
Okay.
आई represented उत्तर प्रदेश. उस समय उत्तर प्रदेश हुआ करता
Yeah.
था, नॉर्थ उत्तराखंड. And फिर जाकर जब कॉलेज में आई, then again I did sports, and again I was in basketball for another national level tournament. And उसके बाद then I don't know, देहरादून छोटा सा शहर था, तो वहाँ पर उस समय फैशन शोज का बड़ा रिवाज चल रहा था. I'm talking about 95, 96,
Yeah.
95. And
Miss
so my friend,
Dehradun.
sorry,
Miss Dehradun.
sorry.
Mr. Dehradun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All that Navy Queen and all that used to
Yeah.
happen. So, all my friends, chalo, you're pretty looking and let's just go for it and all that. And उस समय Glad Rags वगैरह magazine भी आती थी. So, used to be looking at them and Femina and all that. So, I used to be really inspired. So I said चलो चलो fashion show करते हैं, and that's how I got into fashion shows in a very local level in Dehradun. And उसके बाद then this Navy show happened. So he said, okay, chalo, let's take part. What was happening was that in the Navy show, we were walking the ramp. And they said, okay, you can also participate in the event. I said, oh,
Okay.
wonderful. So we all kind of participated, and I just got the crown or whatever.
Okay.
Very local level. And it was all right, you know. aa gaya, chalo, theek hai. And then life just continued. Till I kind of, and I remember my nani used to say, you know, ye ekdam nautanki hai ladki. She loves singing, dancing.
Yeah.
You know, शादियों में नाच गाना होता था, तो I used to be up and about with it, you know, सबसे पहले मुझे ही नाचना है. तो वो
You're
सब
always
चलता था.
excited, like always excited, charming.
Yeah, very much, very into about everything and always wanting to do it and all that. So then I came to know about this theater place, and I came to know about Alok ji and his theater company, and a bunch of, you know, kids, college going kids kind of participated in the Abical Theatre Company. हम लोग ने 3 महीने की workshop करी. At the end of the workshop, we did a play. And then it's just that our destinies, you know, kind of met, Alok ji and mine. And then I don't know, मुझे भूत सवार हो गया that I want to just get married. So I kind of married when I was 19, very young. And so from there, it happened that we came to Bombay just for a spin, you know, because Alok knew Archana Puran Singh, and because Archana's brother Batu Bhaiya was Alok's friend. So she had come to see our play. So we came down here. So it's a big, you know, thing. अपने आप जैसे होती है ना चीजें अपने आप weave करने लग जाती हैं आपके लिए. So that's how it happened for me. And I came here, we met Archana, and she said, why don't you act? I've seen your play and all that. I said, oh, I've never thought about it. But yeah.
Was like when you were 18?
Yes. And that was at JVG Washing Powder. Yeah. It is, and that was shot in Delhi.
Okay.
So that happened. And it is quite interesting for me to know the whole language of media, to know how shooting happens, you know, and तब मुझे पता चला अच्छा ऐसी shooting होती है, ये terms होते हैं, ये technicalities होती है, इतने सारे लोग जुड़े हुए होते हैं, you know, in एक product को, एक film को, या एक छोटा सा ad जो शायद 30 सेकंड का होता है, 40 सेकंड का होता है, उसको बनाने के लिए. And I was really intrigued, fascinated by it. Yeah, and then I said, okay, I think this is what I really want to do. And fortunately, I was, you know, I was married to a family who did not have a problem with me, you know, coming to Bombay and working. Alok did not have a problem. My parents and my brother and sister, they didn't have a problem. They said, okay, this is what you want to do. ये करना चाहती हैं आप. You know, this is where you see yourself growing, evolving, you know, and flowering and blooming in life. Then why not? Because I was very young. I mean, उस समय I would have been like probably go to college, doing, you know, more studies, or maybe pursuing something else. But this is what I really wanted to do, and I got into. Yeah, it's the destiny.
Because
and
I
so
can
I got
recall जब मैं first time Food channel के studio में गई थी, तो there were cameras moving around, and मैं बार बार उसी को देख रही हूँ. They were railing. इतने cameras, lights, like I don't know how many lights were focusing. मेरे को था इतनी सारी lights क्यों हैं? I was so excited, and the person, the director, they were seeing live on that screen, and was like बार बार कि मेरे को दिखाओ क्या दिख रहा है, कैसा दिख रहा है. I was always excited.
Yeah, for me, so you know, the one little thing I told you, I'll share with you is that when I was doing this ad, तो वो लोग बोल रहे थे, वो लाइट दादा वगैरह होते हैं ना, तो कैमरा मैन जो थे, सिनेमेटोग्राफी ही वाज टेलिंग हिम, अच्छा तो ये कर दो, अच्छा HMI लगाओ, अच्छा इधर से लाइट करो, अच्छा इधर से कटर डालो, you know, softy डालो and all that. And suddenly he said, बेबी की मुंडी काट दो. So I was like, बेबी की मुंडी काट दो. What is this? And generally in Dehradun, they used to always call like Shruti baby or Shruti Baba, whoever helpers in your house. That's us. I was like, baby ki mundi kato, what are they talking about? And then I came to know that it's a little light which is called baby. You know, it's the baby light. And HMIs are those big, you know, badi light. And baby is the small one. So he meant कि baby की मुंडी काटवा दो, उसको छोटा कर दो.
Yeah,
so that way.
And even all shoot, there is so much life, like इतना excitement होता है shoot पे.
Oh
yes. ये चल रहा है. Even when I saw a tiffin box, जब मेरे लिए tiffin box आया, lunch आया, तो it was huge tiffin box with big.
इतना बड़ा होता है वो,
and I was like, इतना सारा खाना एक जने के लिए क्यों आए? मैम आपको इसमें से जो खाना, like there were so many boxes and big
Yeah, 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 yeah.
excitement होता है इतना, yeah.
Yeah, it is. And so many people working to make
Yeah.
something,
Yeah.
so that people are entertained in
Yeah.
the whole world is quite amazing. It's fascinating for me.
Yeah.
And I just love it. I still feel I'm a student, learning more and unlearning and looking at people. कहाँ से लोग आ रखे हैं, अलग अलग जगहों से आकर अपने आप अपना करियर बना रहे हैं लोग, whether be it spot dadas or be it lightmen or be it any technician for that matter, makeup artists, hairdresser artists. And for me, another interesting thing was that a lot of spot dadas now were all Nepalese. And I also have a little Nepali streak in me because my dadi was, my grandmother was a Nepalese. So I know how to speak Nepalese very well. And हमारे स्कूल में आपको पता है Cambridge Hall में बहुत सारे Nepalese आते थे. हाँ, so a lot of them are my friends. They still are. And उनके साथ बोलते बोलते, दादी के साथ बोलते बोलते, I learned the language very well. So for me, it was quite nice. I used to spot a spot dada that he's a Nepali. I used to speak with him in Nepalese, and I used to say, "Arey, timi yaar tha, kasto tha, kahan ko tha," and talking to them in their mother language, and they would feel so amazing that, "Oh, how do you know it, ma'am? Aapko kaise pata hai?" I was like, "Acha, mere andar bhi ek vein of Nepali blood is there running." So all these things happened, and finally Bombay happened, and एक शहर जहाँ पर मैं सिर्फ घूमने के लिए आई थी, and I just knew about Bombay as a very big city where Bollywood exists, where SL World exists. जिसका ad हमने टीवी में देखा था, and also where my brother was once posted because he was in the Navy. So that's all I knew about Bombay. But coming here was a very big impression on me because आप छोटे शहर से आते हो, जहाँ बड़े बड़े घर होते हैं. छोटा शहर होता है लेकिन घर बड़े होते हैं, और यहाँ पे बड़ा शहर है लेकिन घर बहुत छोटे हैं. हाँ, लेकिन दिल बहुत बड़ा है.
I know.
So yeah, so it was quite intriguing for me, and I used to wonder, कैसे लोग सुबह सुबह जाते हैं, and इसकी energy अलग है. There's a buzz, there's a vibration. जो अभी I'll come to what has happened to the vibration and buzz later on. It's all gone.
Yeah.
So yeah. So that is happening. Everybody in the morning is going towards the south to work. In the evening, everybody you see coming back to the town, to the suburbs. And even the dog, for instance, I could see walking in the morning there and coming back like that, because everybody is so busy.
Yeah.
The life is so much, there's so much happening in your lives constantly. So that happened, and it was a big impression for me to take. But because mera man tha ye karne ka, so I was very open about everything, and I knew that I am very intact as a person, as an integrity, as a core. I'm very solid. And I remember my brother telling me that, Shruti, you're going to such a world where there's so many things which happen, and it can be difficult for you. You will be attracted to few things, things which are not wanted in your life, and you will know how to kind of, hush them away, take them away, and not get swayed by, itna jo glamour and whatever, attractions jo hota hai. And he said, but ye yaad rakhna ki ek roti to ghar pe bhi mil jayegi, Dehradun mein. So just don't lose yourself, basically. And my brother has always, Rukun has always been like a father figure, because my father left us, went away when I was just 11 years old. So my brother is like more of a father figure to me, and he always says कि मेरी बड़ी बेटी तो Shruti hai, because there's a gap of 11 years between him and me, and then 12 between me and my sister. So I'm the बुढ़ापे की औलाद for my parents. हालांकि उस समय बुढ़ापे 30 साल में अगर बच्चा हो जाता तो बुढ़ापे हो जाता था उन लोगों के लिए. अभी तो लोग 35-40 साल में शादी भी नहीं करते हैं. So, so that's what it was for me. I was a budhapi ki aulad. I was a premature 7 months born, but everything is fine physically and mentally and emotionally. So yeah, this is what happened, and I just embraced Mumbai, now Mumbai. That time Bombay just embraced me, and work after work came into my pocket, and I just accepted it with a lot of humbleness, with a lot of gratitude, with a lot of wanting to do good, with a lot of wanting to be happy, with sleeping well in the night, patting my own back, feeling strong, So that has been my journey and celebrating life. For me, Harleen, it's always been like the process is more important for me than to come to a level.
Yeah.
मैं ये देखती हूँ कि मैं सीढ़ियाँ कैसे चली हूँ या
Mm.
चढ़ी हूँ,
Yeah.
मेरा रास्ता कैसे रहा है. That's more important than to reach a destination.
Yeah.
Because अगर आपका रास्ता अच्छा रहेगा, सफर सुहाना रहेगा, तो मंजिल आपकी खुद ब खुद आई जाएगी. So for
Sure.
me, that's always been. And another thing which has always been for me is that life is a celebration, no matter what. Even struggles, even sadness, emotional breakdowns, whatever, it has to
Mm.
be celebrated and you need to come out of it.
Yeah.
And only you can help yourself,
Yeah, of course.
basically. है ना,
Mm.
बिकॉज आजकल की दुनिया ऐसी हो गई है जहाँ सब आजकल तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगी, लेकिन थोड़े समय पहले कुछ 1 महीना पहले सब बोलते थे, ओ वी नीड आवर ओन स्पेस, अरे आई नीड माय ओन टाइम,
Yeah.
ओ आई नीड टू बी ऑन माय ओन, आई नीड टू डू माय ओन थिंग्स. तो
Yeah.
अब लो करो, have your space, have your time, do your things, and just
Yeah.
be. So yeah, so that's how it's been, and life is beautiful. I have a son who's a teenager now. His birthday was on the 23rd of March, so he's become a
Okay.
recent teenager.
Okay.
Fresher hai wo teenage zone mein. I have my mom who's living with me, and well, I'm not together with Alok ji, but yet we are together. He just stays opposite building mein, but we keep on interacting, and we have a son who bonds us together.
Yeah.
And my family, my brother
And
and
even
my
we had an interview with Alok ji also.
oh lovely, how nice. I know we could have done it
Yeah, yeah.
together, but just since he's
Yeah, I know.
abhi to we can't because of the lockdown.
Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise we could have done it together.
Yeah.
I think we are better friends now
That's
than
good.
before. Yeah.
Yeah.
And so that's how life has been, and doing a lot of work, a lot of television. I've just started doing a couple of films again. एक दौर था मेरा films का, where I did Raz, Dil To Pagal Hai, then Etbar, and then I did Gafla, very beautiful film. Then I did Sarakho Par, and then suddenly a break came where I was just into television. Television has always been with me, and then I started doing. I did theater before. Then I did theater again with Alok Ji's company in Bombay. We did a lot of plays together, and ab jakar I just kind of started to get a bit of films again in my pocket. So I've featured in a film called Suryavanshi, which is directed by Rohit Shetty. Everybody knows about Suryavanshi and Simba and Singham
Yeah.
and police. So
You've done
खत्म
lot
आधी
of
सटक गई.
you've done lot of roles और बहुत variety भी रही है. It's not कि एक
Yes,
level पे रहो, like
yes.
बहुत कुछ किया, comedy भी किया, I think serious
Oh yes,
roles
lot
भी
of
किए हैं.
comedy, lot of drama, lot of emotional angles I've kind of explored in my
Yeah.
acting. Lot of strong roles also I've done. Lot of different characters. हालांकि हिंदुस्तान में थोड़ी कमी हो जाती है, because यहाँ पर typecast अब बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं. They see you. Especially in television, if they see you in a fixed role, they'll always want to cast you in that role because they don't want to take kind of
Risk.
I don't know, risk or whatever. Though they'll keep on saying we want to experiment and we want to do this and that, but that doesn't happen really.
So
That's
what kind
only
of
for
roles
the
you liked, like serious roles, comedy? Because you are a person, like a lively person, always smiling, happy, wandering here and there. Like है ना, आप एक जगह
yeah.
बैठते नहीं हो. Because whenever I like जब भी मिले हैं, जब भी देखा है, like you're not sitting on one place, इधर है ना, just
Yeah.
roaming
I love to
around. And,
travel. I love
yeah,
to, yeah. See, I'm a very homely person. I love to stay at home. But there are few things which I'm passionate about. One is gymming. I really love to gym. I really love to work out. I mean, nowadays also I've been working out at home every day in the evening, and I post a lot of, I'm really active on Instagram in the sense like I just post. I rarely see other people's work, but I post a lot of videos about cooking, about gymming, about health and everything. So I'm very, very active in that front. And I love it. I'm very passionate. I'm just fitness freak and fitness woman I am. So
So
I
what kind
am
of
like
roles
that.
like you liked? मतलब सबसे अच्छा क्या करने में मजा आता था? कोई ऐसा रोल करने में मजा आया?
Role, I think I loved, there was this series जो Z में आती थी called Rishte Love Stories, they were very interesting. They were like these 1 hour stories, start to finish, not like television series. And wo maine 2-3 kiye hain, which have been very beautiful experience. Then another lovely experience which I had was, there used to be a show called Bhavar, जो TV18 produce करता था, and it used to come on Sony TV. And I remember Bhavar was the pioneers of extracting the true cases of a woman against the state government or government of India. And जहाँ पर औरतों पे जो अत्याचार होता था उस पे केसेस की निर्धारित, जैसे आजकल सावधान आता है, सावधान India. So similarly, that's why I said Bhavar was a pioneer, where it talked about true cases in India where women fought bravely, or they were looked down upon, and so on, and how they rose from it. So that I did a few episodes, which were beautiful episodes. And then there's another lovely experience which I had was, I did this film called Gafla, which was about share market and Harshad Mehta scam. That was made by my very dear friend Sameer Chate. तो वो मैंने एक रोल किया था, and I was the lead in the film. हालांकि फिल्म का कुछ हुआ नहीं, but I had a beautiful experience nevertheless. So that is one work I cherish. And lately, 2 works I've really cherished. One is this beautiful short film I did on Amrita Pritam. And Amrita Pritam, like has been a very progressive poetess of Hindustan. I mean, वो बहुत ही far sighted थी अपने ज़माने से, और बहुत ही progressive थी, उनके विचार, उनके ideas, or, her style of living, her way of living was very progressive. So I portrayed her in a very beautiful short film made by my director called Sumit Mishra ji, who's a very dear friend now. And he's made it, you must watch it. It's on YouTube. It's called Amrita Aur Main.
Okay. Sure.
तो वो देखना आप. हाँ, it's beautiful film. That and another project recently I did was called Nimki Vidhayak, where I play this chief minister of Bihar, and वहाँ पे मुझे बिहारी लिंगो बोलना था. So it was amazing. I had a beautiful time. पहली बार I kind of एक dialect का मैंने इस्तेमाल किया. Or I got a chance to do that. So that I really loved, and I miss doing Nimki Vidhayak and playing Ganga Devi. So yeah, these things. And Suryavanshi, of course, was about to release on the 24th of March, but unfortunately, हाँ. But होगी, जब सब ठीक हो जाएगा, हालात सही हो जाएंगे तो होगा. And another film I'm doing right now, which is on the pipeline. I was shooting for that in Karnal, in fact, called Unfair and Lovely, made by Sony Pictures. So that is also there.
Okay, sure. And I can see beautiful background behind you.
Yeah,
you're so
that's
creative.
my garden.
Yeah, so creative, artistic. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इसमें काफी सारी चीजें अपने आप से की होंगी, like creativity.
Yes,
like,
lots of things. I don't know. I can probably show you, I guess.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you can see. I mean, I've got these.
Yeah,
my paintings. These are made by my son. And यहाँ पर आपको थोड़े से लहसुन और orange peels भी दिखेंगे because I make the scrub के लिए and face pack के लिए. So I have this. I don't know. I'll just show you. So I have this little garden where this bird and and these little flowers are blooming and little wild things, and I've got these. Yeah. So छोटी चीजें. I just love to do them, and because
तो free time में क्या कर रहे हो अभी? तो free time में क्या करते रहते हो? और
I'll tell you, I'm not free at all. There's so much to do.
Like you are at home. तो घर पे रह के और क्या करते हो? Like shoots अभी बहुत सारे online तो बहुत कुछ चल रहा है. But वैसे क्या करते हो अभी? Like बाहर नहीं जाना है. आराम से घर पे.
See, I'll tell you, it's a very बहुत ही weird सी, बहुत ही अजीब सी स्थिति में पूरा जो globe है, पूरी जो धरती है वो गुजर रही है. And we do not know what's going to happen next. It's like that. It's something we know, and yet we do not know. So समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि अभी क्या हो रहा है. But yes, one has to keep a brave front. ये समय जो है, a lot of us are getting a chance to kind of bond again with our families. Especially जो work करते हैं, especially people who are working, women who are working are getting a chance to bond with their children. And ये अलग सा समय, अजीब सा समय है,
but थोड़ा सा being positive, like ऐसा time
one has to be optimistic. Absolutely, आशावादी रहना ही चाहिए. And I am a very positive person. I always think that कि देखो जो होता है वो भी अच्छे के लिए होता है, और जो नहीं होता वो और भी अच्छे के लिए होता है. So I always feel that, you know, maybe there's something out of it. Maybe I feel that it's like a you know, a sign or a warning from the unknown world, you know, ki, listen, please slow down, everybody. We don't have to pace and race all the time.
Breathe, maybe.
Yes, let's just be, you know. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि after all this, we should just stop developing things. We should just stop technology for at least 5 years and see कि अभी कुछ invention नहीं करना है, कुछ हमें और प्रगति की ओर नहीं जाना है. जिससे जो हमारे पास है अभी उसी से संतुष्ट रहो, उसी को इस्तेमाल करो अभी. Be it technology, whatever, food, wherever everybody scientific, you know, researches, you know, inventions and excavations, just leave everything and just live with whatever you have. क्योंकि क्या हो गया ना, संतुष्टि की तो देखो कोई यार्ड स्टिक ही नहीं है, you know, कोई दायरा ही नहीं है संतुष्टि का. और चाहिए हमें, और चाहिए. तो ये इस और के चक्कर में ना, मतलब
अभी सब कुछ रुक गया,
जिंदगी जो है ना वो एकदम से थम गई है. किसी को समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है. So maybe this is a sign or a warning to all of us, to the human race, that stop now. You know, slow down in your life.
Further 6 months में सब लोग भूल जाएंगे कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. वापस back to work, वापस back.
That is what has happened. That is what the fastness, the pace of life has done to us. You know, we have changed. Even the way we think psychologically, emotionally, we have changed. हम ना भूल जाते हैं बहुत जल्दी चीजों को.
We tend to forget,
Yes, we don't remember much. जैसे पहले के लोग कितनी चीजें याद रखते थे, you know. So but you know, I get astonished with my son because he still remembers when he was 2.5 years and how he had gone with me to England and all that, which he remembers, probably because he's an old soul. ये भी होता है. You know, I believe in all these things.
I think किसी को अपने phone number भी याद नहीं है, वो mobile से.
अभी नहीं याद है. I'm telling you about mine. There was a time I used to remember everybody's phone. Alok used to tell me, or Ma used to tell me उसका number क्या है ना, उससे पट.
हाँ, मुझे अभी भी अपने friends के याद है जब हम landline से डायल करते थे, अभी भी याद है वो number.
वो याद है.
अभी भी बोलेंगे
नहीं आते हैं. अच्छा उसका number क्या? अच्छा 1 minute अभी देखते हैं. And you just take your mobile, you know. So so that is what is happening. So I feel maybe we need to just cut off from that. And abhi, because the question you asked was कि घर पे मैं क्या करती हूँ. Well, morning is like getting up and सबसे पहले नहाना भी नहीं है. I do this very interesting thing which I would like to share with all the viewers and whoever's watching, because it's very good for your health. नारियल का तेल होता है, कितने लोग सर पे लगाते हैं, कितने लोग उससे खाना बनाते हैं, especially South Indian, the Dravidians follow cooking with coconut oil. So, and there's edible coconut oil also. So, and of course it's very medicinal as well. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, जब मुंह आपने कुछ भी नहीं, बासी मुंह, जैसे आप उठो, थोड़ा सा नारियल का तेल मुंह में रख के and just leave it for 5-10 minutes. थोड़ा सा, ज़्यादा भी नहीं, because it might just come out, you know, maybe you're not in a habit of keeping thing in your mouth. So just keep it, and it says that it takes away all the toxins and all the chemicals from your body, you know, and just spit it out after 5-10 minutes. जितना भी आप रख सकते हैं in the flush or in the pipeline, and just you know, put water on it so that it goes away. It really helps you, cleanses you. You know, that's one thing which I do first thing in the morning. And while the coconut oil is in my mouth, I do the jhadu pota. So that is what is happening. So कुछ आजकल videos and Instagram and everywhere social media में आप देखते हैं that people have learned to do झाड़ू पोछा. So I really get astonished, you know, कि मतलब झाड़ू पोछा एक ऐसी चीज है जो हम सबको, हिंदुस्तानियों को तो खासकर आता ही है कैसे करना है.
पर भूल गए थे.
झाड़ू लगाते भाई आगे चलो, पोछा मारते you know, पीछे जाओ. Obviously तो common sense की बात है, but क्या है कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने किया नहीं है. And I don't have the hand mop. I like the पोछा नीचे बैठ के करके. It's good for your stomach, you know.
Exercise.
Yeah, so that is what is happening in the morning, and then I take a bath, then breakfast is happening. My mother is awake at 6 o'clock. वो अपना कर लेती हैं सारा प्राणायाम अपने exercises वगैरह करती हैं, and then she's also busy कुछ kitchen में करती रहती हैं. Then we have set कि आज हम ये चीज साफ करेंगे, आज हम ये खिड़की साफ करेंगे, या आज हम ये balcony साफ करेंगे.
Yeah.
आज पंखे साफ करने का दिन आ गया. So all those things are happening. आज ये कबर्ड साफ करते हैं
जो
kitchen
piled up
में.
था बहुत टाइम से.
हालांकि आई एम अ बिग फ्रीक, हाँ, क्लेanliness फ्रीक आई एम. सो मेरा तो ऐसा नहीं होता है, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट इट्स लाइक ओके चलो अभी और कर लो अच्छा सा, तो मेरे यहाँ वो होता है ना, दिवाली की सफाई हो रही है तो मेरे यहाँ तो रोज ही दिवाली की सफाई होती है. इट्स लाइक दैट. So that is happening, and then by the time lunch arrives, so you're making lunch. Lunch is very simple: dal, chawal, and sabzi and salad and dahi or raita or whatever chutney. I make a lot of chutneys because I'm from Dehradun. You also know कि हम तिल की चटनी, टमाटर की चटनी ये सब बहुत खाते हैं. And there's this मूली की चटनी, और अभी मैं कच्चे आम लेकर आई थी तो मैं कच्चे आम की चटनी बनाने जा रही हूँ थोड़े समय में. So all that is happening. फिर शाम, then we watch a lot of Netflix, कुछ देखते हैं. Then we play a lot of Ludo. Me, Ojasya and Amma ji, we play Ludo a lot. Then I have a dog called Ollie. So वो भी एक उसका भी चीजें होती रहती हैं, उसके साथ मस्ती मारते हैं. Then कल मैंने उसकी पूरी हेयर कटिंग करी, उसके पूरे उसको रुंड कर दिया मैंने. So he has a nice hairstyle now, different. पूरे काट दिया because इतने बाल हो गए थे बेचारे के. It's an apso, Lhasa apso. So that. So yeah, and evening time we have tea together. कभी भी सो जाती हूँ अगर ऐसा लगता है कि नींद आ रही है, थकान हो रहा है तो सो जाती हूँ. Otherwise generally I'll read a book or watch Netflix or just be with my son and Amma ji and talk. And then उसके बाद शाम को चाय हो जाती है. फिर चाय के बाद थोड़ा सा खाने की तैयारी हो जाती है. Then I'm doing a lot of cooking, I used to do a lot of cooking during school time. I had home science, but अभी फिर से, and I bake a lot. Anyways, I bake a lot. So मेरा हमेशा सामान तो रहता ही है केक वेक का. So I just made a cheese cake during Ajasya's birthday. Then I experimenting. अभी कल मैंने blueberry pie बनाया because my dad's birthday was on the 17th. So yeah, so all these things are happening. Then I just
I don't know you know about me or not. Like you had tarot reading from me. मैं tarot reader हूँ, but I am a baker also. I'm training chefs.
Oh,
I teach baking. I'm taking baking
how
classes.
nice.
I bake all type of cakes, big cakes, like 3-tier.
Oh, nice. No, I don't make big cakes, but हाँ मैं बना
I like
लेती
to
हूँ
make
काफी. You must check
3-4-tier cakes. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, 2 तो I have made, but yeah, but you must go into my Instagram and you just see the blueberry pie I made. उसकी इनफैक्ट मैंने आज पोस्ट करा है पूरा. I make like big videos and मैं पूरा शूट करती हूँ बकायदा अपने फोन से, and I edit and everything nicely. So I post a lot. So I've posted a couple of पहले क्या था, मैं सिर्फ pictures डाल के करती थी, Now I said okay, let me just do it more, just a step forward, ahead. So I've been doing that, and फिर शाम को then I have my time for my exercise, which I do in my rope. मेरे पास dumbbells हैं, and body weight के साथ I keep on doing mad stuff every day. I love it. So that's happening. Then there's, by the time you take a bath and freshen up and everything, it's dinner time. So sometimes I like to cook saute vegetables. I eat a lot of vegetables and salads and so on. And then कुछ करते रहते हैं. And then शाम को फिर we see a little Netflix and we play Ludo. And then फिर हम सब सोने चले जाते हैं. Then it's like that. मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा उठती हूँ because then I watch my own things in Netflix and edit my videos nowadays. So my mother said me, तुम क्या करती जा रही हो आजकल इतना, कभी तो इतना टाइम में थी नहीं अपने, what are you doing? I said no, I'm just editing my videos. And then I show her, see, now I've posted it on Instagram. अरे सब लोग देखते हैं. I said हाँ, पूरी दुनिया जो फॉलो करती है देखती है. अरे ऐसे ठीक है डालना अपनी पर्सनल जिंदगी के बारे में, all that is so cute. I said yeah, it's okay, I'm a celebrity and it's nice for people to know what I'm doing nowadays.
That's what
and what I do generally.
Yeah, that's what मेरे को ये idea था कि ऐसा कुछ करते हैं जो मेरे friends हैं, they are celebrities और इनके साथ करते हैं. Because अब एक तो टीवी पे बहुत पुराने shows भी चल रहे हैं, like people तो चलो कुछ देखें क्या करते हो, कैसे आपका start हुआ ना. तो it's so good. We did with so many celebrities. आप मेरा channel subscribe करना. मेरा personal YouTube channel तो है ये related to healings. That's Dr. Kaur. But ये जो Great Indian Talent Show है, इसको आप लाइक
हाँ जी,
करना एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो सो
I
दैट
will, I will share.
हाँ
Yes.
सबको एक पता चलता है बिकॉज श्रुति वी सी ऑन टेलीविजन श्रुति उल्पत बट आपको अभी जब हम देखते हैं
I'm Panwar now, by the way. I'm Shruti
ओके
Panwar. I write Shruti
श्रुति बस
Panwar, but that's okay. That's all right.
या
Yeah.
तो हम जैसे
As
आपको
long as I'm me. Yeah.
या सो जैसे आपको देख सकते हैं लाइक इट्स लाइव तो कैसा लगता है बात करके है ना तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है सबको
Yeah.
इट्स अ पर्सनल कनेक्शन लाइक बिकॉज मैंने आपको भी
हाँ,
देखा
and you
बहुत बार
need
मिली हूँ
you आप देखते हैं कि इस इंसान का सत्य क्या है, और what is the sap of this person's life.
या
It's like
कैसे है
that,
लाइक जैसे टीवी पे दिखते हैं वैसे ही है क्या लाइक माइंड में सबके
Yeah.
चलता ही है ना ऐसे जैसा होता है कि अमिताभ बच्चन जैसे दिखते हैं टीवी पे असली में ऐसे होंगे क्या
True,
है
true,
ना
true,
तो
true,
इट्स ऑल द
true.
इमेजिनेशन गोइंग ऑन एक्चुअली लाइक है ना वो ड्रेस में वो गेटअप में वैसा चलता रहता है
Yeah,
दैट्स
true,
व्हाट
true,
मैंने
true.
सोचा कि चलो ऐसा कुछ एक टॉक शो करते हैं
No, this
तो
is wonderful. This is a
बिकॉज आई एम नॉट
wonderful
अ
idea.
प्रोफेशनल लाइक आई एम अ टैरो रीडर ऑन टीवी चैनल्स तो मेरे को तो वो
हाँ.
चैनल के लिए करना है पर मुझे नहीं ऐसे लाइक आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल कि क्या पूछना है क्या करना है बट इट्स टॉक
No,
शो
but you know what? Sometimes मुझे लगता है ऐसे impromptu
या
conversations जो होती हैं, which are much nicer, especially because the kind and the format जो आपका show है,
या
इसमें you need to, kind of questions will just come up, or we'll
yeah we
probably
are
go
not
into
having
some
any
angles in
script
our life.
because
True,
in
true,
Dehradun
true.
we are having lot of talk shows like we are having with the WIC club we are having with different clubs just a talk
Oh,
show with
nice.
women like with the women entrepreneurs we are having just
Hmm.
discussion so that the other ladies they get motivated
Yeah, true, true, true. And you do get, I mean,
yeah
like when I post my gym videos or anything, a lot of people say, ma'am, please keep on posting. फिर कभी कभी
yeah
क्या होता है आप 2-3 दिन नहीं post करते हैं,
हाँ वो पूछते हैं
whatever reason
कहाँ
could
थे
be.
आप आए
Yeah, so then they said, please, please, करिए ना. We like to see, and we get motivated, and we feel
yeah
the urge of,
yeah
looking after ourselves and staying healthy.
yeah
So that's how you get motivated. And for instance, I watch, like I have a few of actors who I follow who are heavily into gym, and also Dwayne Johnson hai, फिर एक Camilla Bazinet hai, LeBlanc Bazinet. So they do a lot of CrossFit and all that. So I follow them and I get inspired by them.
right.
So in that way, वो लोग भी हमसे inspire हो
वो
जाते हैं
लोग भी
किसी ना
होते हैं
किसी. So that's why I tell my mom. I said I do these because maybe people, and
yeah
अभी I'm putting recipes. So there are fans, followers who are saying, अरे अभी तो हम नहीं बना सकते क्योंकि सारी सामग्री नहीं है हमारे पास घर पे. लेकिन जैसे सब ठीक हो
but
जाएगा, I will make
yeah
sure I'll cook.
yeah so good बहुत
So
अच्छा
this
लगता है
is
बिकॉज जब आप
interesting.
शेयर करते हो इट्स गुड और अच्छा है
It's good.
टेक्नोलॉजी का हम सही तरीके से अगर यूज कर रहे हैं वी आर जस्ट
इस्तेमाल करें.
नॉलेज
True,
सही
true.
नॉलेज अगर हम शेयर कर रहे हैं तो अच्छा है एंड पीपल दे नो कि क्या देखना है क्या नहीं देखना है वो एक अगर उनके इंटरेस्ट की जो
Absolutely.
चीज है दे सी दैट
They see
बिकॉज
that.
माय
True,
यूट्यूब
true. So true.
सब्सक्राइबर्स दे आर लाइक ऑलवेज कि आप मैम कब लाइव आओगे आप कब पोस्ट करते हो
Hmm.
वीडियो हमें उसी वक्त देखते हैं मेरे को ये भी
True.
आता है आई एम द फर्स्ट व्यूअर मतलब वो नॉर्मली ऐसा होता है
हाँ.
वीडियो पे ना एकदम से आई एम
हाँ.
फर्स्ट व्यूअर तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है लाइक दे आर वेटिंग फॉर
Yeah.
अस देखते हैं तो
True,
बहुत
true,
अच्छा
true.
लगा
So true.
बहुत अच्छा लगा
Yeah,
आपसे
these
बात
are
करके
these are little things of life, which kind of just kind of
it's all give and take it's all connection
true, true, true. So true.
आप
Yeah.
किसी सीखते हो
So
कुछ
how has it been for you?
so good मेरा तो बहुत चल रहा है आई एम हैविंग सो मेनी जूम क्लासेस लाइक अभी टैरो
Oh,
रीडिंग
nice.
बैचेस आर गोइंग ऑन सो सम मेडिटेशन
Hmm.
बैचेस आर गोइंग ऑन मेरे को ऐसा रहता है
Okay.
कि लॉट ऑफ फ्री सेशंस आई एम गिविंग लाइक फॉर
Okay.
मेडिटेशन दैट्स
Okay.
गाइडेड मेडिटेशंस में करवा रही हूँ लाइक 200-300 स्टूडेंट्स जूम पे पढ़ रहे हैं एक साथ
अरे
में
बाप रे.
वो एक
Yeah, I
साथ
know because my
मेडिटेशन
son also does from Zoom.
या
वो भी आजकल क्लासेस वगैरह चल रही हैं
हाँ
उसकी
ज़ूम
भी.
पे चलती है तो वो चल रहा
हाँ.
है
So
यूट्यूब पे थोड़ा सा एक्टिव हो गया थोड़ा दिस ये माइंड में आया डूइंग दिस शो ये चल रहा है एंड आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग ऑन माय ओन मेरी है एडिटर है बट ये मेरा लाइव रहता है तो मैं एडिट नहीं करवाती हूँ ये मैं खुद कर रही हूँ सब कुछ आई एम डूइंग
that's
ऑल दिस
nice. That's nice.
ऐसे ही
That's
सोचा
good.
कि
That's
चलो
good.
अपने आप करो ना आई एम
हाँ.
डूइंग ऑल दैट
Yeah, but I just I would like to tell people because I'm sure they'll be watching us, and it's these times are very difficult times, और उस समय हमें बहुत ही intact होकर एकाग्रित होकर रहना है, so that we just overcome this time, and this time shall pass. But it's just that it's sad that not in the entire world, but specifically in India, Hindustan, I would like to tell people that please, just जो भी rules, जो भी regulations, जो भी हमें बोला जा रहा है, you know, we should just
Yeah.
abide by that,
Yeah.
because that's the only solution right now for us is to stay home.
Hmm.
That's the only solution right now,
Yeah.
nothing else. And बहुत सारे लोग हैं who do not want to. I still see a lot of people, you know,
Hmm.
probably morning walk के लिए निकल
Yeah.
जाते
Yeah.
हैं.
Hmm.
It is so upsetting. People who are educated, you know,
Yeah. Even they are
people
doing.
who yeah, they're doing it, and it's astonishing. It is badly astonishing for me to see, you know.
Yeah, of
It's
course,
horribly
just because of
astonishing.
them, just because of few people, the lockdown again
True.
extended, and we don't know even the further what.
एंड स्पेशली जब हम लोग इस लॉकडाउन को या इस स्थिति को संभालने के लिए वी आर फार अहेड of other countries, you know, because we were aware about it and we
Yeah,
knew what actions to take place, and we were learning from the
from the
patterns
other
which were
things.
happening
Yeah.
in other countries as well, you know. That was an advantage which we got. But then because of certain things, एक disbalance वो होता है ना, एक मच्छी जो है पूरे तालाब को
Yeah.
गंदा कर देती है. तो ये वही चीज है, you know, we just go back. हम पीछे चले जाते हैं और पीछे चले जाते हैं. So we need to go forward and leave this virus behind us.
Yeah.
You know, just eradicate it from the face of the earth. And that's only gonna happen
I'm
अगर हम
sure we'll be
responsible हो.
doing that. Yeah, हम लोग कर
Yeah,
लेंगे, और of
कर
course
लेंगे.
India will win.
Of course, of course, of course.
It was so nice talking to you, Shruti. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Yes,
So we'll soon meet in Dehradun. When
yes.
you'll be
Yeah,
coming,
whenever I come,
just
I'll buzz you.
message me and we'll have a blast. और बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. So energetic,
Thank you
so
so
nice
much.
talking, so nice.
And you
Yeah.
take care of yourself. Regards to your
Thank
family.
you. Thank
And
you.
thank you so much to everybody who's watching.
Yeah.
Please stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, look after yourselves, be happy, celebrate life, and just love everyone. That's the only religion we have, which is love. And we should always remember that we are world citizen. You
Yeah.
know, so it's not just about Jai Hind or Jai Spain or, you know, Hail Germany or Italy. It should be Jai Vishwa.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah, that's how it has to be, you know. So
Yeah,
just look
sure.
after
Thank
yourselves.
you so much. Thank you
Thank you.
for me. So
God bless.
I
Namaste.
love you. Bye.
Love you too. Bye bye. Bye bye.